Good day. I would like to share the modified learner enrollment and survey form. This form is not for sale, so for this time of pandemic, we will be using the modified learner enrollment and survey form for the enrollment process. So you have there the instruction. Kindly read, go over the text. That is three instructions given to you. You have there letter A, grade level and school information. So A1, you have school year. A2, check the appropriate boxes only for if no LRN with LRN. A3, you have there balik aral. A4, grade level to enroll. A5, last grade level completed. A6 up to A13. So you just go over the text that is actually the information of the school. Now for A14, that is for senior high school only. So it has first and second semester. A15, the tract. A16, the strand. So for example, the track is academic track and the strand is general academic strand or gas. Okay, so letter B, you have there student information. So B1, PSA, birth certificate number. This is very much necessary, most especially for grade 10 and grade 12 because they are graduating or completers. Okay. B2, you have there the learner reference number or the LRN. So all the students have their unique LRN classification. Okay, that is it. So for the LRN, you can actually ask your previous advisors. For the students, you can ask your previous advisors for your LRN. So of course, you have there B3, B4, and B5. That is the last name, first name, and middle name. B6, if you have the name extension or extension name, such as junior and the third. B7, you have their date of birth. B8, you have the age. B9, the sex. You just need to check if it is male or female. You have B10, B11, B12, 13. For B14, for learners with special education needs. Okay, so that is for learners with special education needs. Okay, B18, you have your email address. Okay, if you have no email address, you can actually make one from Google. Okay, it's very simple and easy. So for B19 up to B24, that is actually your address. Okay, so reminders, you just really need to write the words or your answer in capital letters. Okay, so that is it. Now for letter C, you have there the information of your parent and of course your guardian. So C1, you have the father, C4 the mother, and C7 the guardian. So I would like to suggest if you have your father and mother, just do not anymore include your guardian. But of course, since it is there, you can actually include them. If the three parent or guardian information are available. Okay, so for C1, you have the full name, last name, first name, and middle name. C2, highest educational attainment. So you just need to check if it is no formal schooling, no formal schooling but able to read and write, and so on and so forth. The same with C5 and C8. For C3, you just need to put the contact numbers of your parent and guardian. Okay, for C6, the contact number of your mother. For C9, the contact number of your guardian. And of course, you have there at the bottom the um, if you are a beneficiary of 4Ps, so that is C10. Is your family a beneficiary of 4Ps? Just need to check if it is yes or no. Okay, so for D, letter D, household capacity and access to distance learning. So you have it there D1. How many of your household members are studying in school year 2021-2022? So you just need to check if you have a brother or a sister school studying in school year 2021 and 2022. You just need to check the grade level. D2, who among the household members can provide instructional support to the child distance learning? So those who can give support to you, to the students, most especially if the students are not in their uh, parent, just living only with his or her guardian. Okay, so D3, what devices are available at home that the learner can use for learning? So again, you just need to check. D4, is there an internet signal in your area? So if no, proceed to D7. In D7, what are the challenges that may affect your child's learning process through distance education? Okay, you just need to choose. For D5, how do you connect to the internet? Choose all that applies. Okay, so just need to choose by checking the box. D6, D7. So you have there, what distance learning modality do you prefer for your child? Of course, that is modular learning printed. Okay, that should be checked. Modular learning printed. Okay, for D7, what are the challenges that may affect your child's learning process through distance education? Choose all that apply to letter E, limited face-to-face. So we have what we call a limited face-to-face because um, if ever that the education sector would decide to have a limited face-to-face. So E1, in case limited face-to-face classes will be allowed, are you willing to allow your child or children to participate? You just need to check if it is yes or no. E2, if the answer is no, please select only one major consideration or state specific reason. So you have there fear of getting infected of coronavirus, existing illness or health related concerns. So you have there presence of armed conflict and so on and so forth. Just need to check the box. Okay, so you have there I hereby certify that the above information given are true and correct to the best of my knowledge, and I allow the Department of Education to use my child's details to create and update her learner profile in the learner information system. The information herein shall be treated as confidential in compliance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. So you have their signature over printed name of parent and guardian and date accomplished. So, kailangan isulat in all capital letters yung pangalan tapos permahan sa ibabaw. Okay. For questions, and then of course, do not forget to write the date when when the MLESF has been accomplished. So, lagyan ng date kung kailan siya natapos. Okay. For questions, clarification, kindly contact the school through the following. So, you have there the telephone or mobile number. You have there, of course, the email address of the school. Okay, at the bottom, of course, you have there date of official enrollment. So, for grade level, that is track for senior high school. Okay, just need to put if it is grade 11 or grade 12 and the track yung kanyang kinuha. Okay, so I think that would be all for the MLESF. Ito yung ginagamit ngayon ng mga kabataan para maka-enroll sila sa paaralan. Okay, I hope that you accomplish this one and magpa-enroll po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po and mabuhay po tayong lahat. God bless everyone.